All right, we're going to continue with the last example, and I'm just going to add when we have or statements. Let's say you have logical operators like and or, and you want to do something and something has to be this and this, but what if it needs to be this or this? What if we have to do or? And you can use and or just like Excel, the regular Excel, but you can only have up to two. If you want to add more than two, if you've got a bunch of ors, this or this or this or this, you've got to use either the ampersands or these pipes here, which is the shift backslash is how you get these. So let's go back to our example and let's not just look at transactions that are greater than 3 from California. Let's already add to that Washington. Now we've already got that right there. There's Washington. If I go back and get this filter off where I'm showing not just California, but show everything. There's California, there's Washington. So I just add up these two numbers. So if I add up those, this one and this one, that's about 103,000. But I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to that measure that we just did. And I'm going to go edit this one. And I'm going to say California and Washington stores. So now I'm going to go to this part of it, this filter, and I'm going to make it an or. So here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to first of all put some parentheses around this. I don't think you need to, but it makes it easier. So there's the first condition, but now I'm going to add an or, so I'm going to say shift and hit these shift backslash, but it gives me these pipes. And now I'm going to grab this, I'm going to do another one. I'm going to say, well, the store lookup state, just like if that is equal to Washington. And then I put parentheses around that. And so now I check formula, it's good. So look what I've done. I want the total profit if my transactions is greater than 3 and it's from California or Washington. It doesn't have to be from just California, either that or that. And when I hit OK, look what happens right here. Just like that, that measure has been updated and now it reflects these two, the adding of these. So again, it's kind of silly, but I mean, in terms of that, you can sometimes get there, but sometimes you don't want to go through all this and you just want to write that formula. That's what that calculate can do for you. Really, really nice. If you've got regular measures that you want on a regular basis that you don't want to have to jump through a lot of different pivots to get there. And they can get more complicated also. Thanks.